40 is not too old for pink hair, right? Hello you guys and welcome back. It's another hair video. You guys have been watching me for a while. I've literally been every color in the rainbow. I've red, pink, blonde, brown, black, purple. I think that's it. So I have my blonde pretty much how I like it. Like I did this myself and it's not perfect by any means, but hey, we've been in quarantine, you know? And plus I just like to try to experiment and do my hair myself. So I'm bored. We're gonna do this. This is the L'Oreal Colorista Soft Pink. This is the 300. It also comes in a 200, which is just pink. And this one seems to be the lightest. Like it literally looks like cotton candy right here. If you guys notice right here, I have this stuff. This is the stuff I used to use when my hair was pink. This is a color depositing shampoo and conditioner. Works awesome, but it is like ink. I mean, this stuff is like, yeah. But I mean, this stuff is bright. So I wanted to just try like a little strip and just see what it would look like. And yeah, it's way too dark. And this is 2 shampoos ago, and I only left this in for like maybe 5 minutes. If you have blonde hair and want some vibrant colors, I would definitely recommend these, but this is not the color I was going for. I wanted like more of like a pastel pink. I've never tried that color before, so we are gonna give this a go. It says it's for bleached, light blonde, or highlighted hair. Lasts approximately 2 to 5 shampoos. I have watched a bunch of videos on it, and what I'm seeing is that it seems to fade pretty fast, which I'm hoping, like I don't want it to be like super, super pink, and I don't want to get rid of my blonde hair, so I'm hoping the colors that it could look, depending on what color your hair is. So I don't know, we will see if it turns out like this. And I did order this off of Amazon. My grocery store sells these, but they didn't have the soft pink. They just had the regular pink, and I really wanted to do the soft pink. And so yeah, got it on Amazon for like $10.99 or something. I'll put a link down in the description box. Comes with the color. This is 4 ounces. And I only did get one because my plan is to just kind of do like an ombre. I don't know how far up I'm planning on going. We will see. It comes with this little brush too. I probably won't use this. It's like super tiny. I have a bigger one. I don't even know if I'm going to use a brush. I might just use like, you know, the real professional way. The cool thing about these colors is they usually come with like a few sets of gloves. Directions, I never look at these. 3 sets of gloves. If I don't use the whole bottle, then I will have gloves for the next one. Yeah, leave on for up to 30 minutes. Shampoo and dry hair fully. I washed it yesterday. Should be fine. We are gonna get into the application part. I'm probably not gonna talk during that because you're gonna see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna kind of do section by section, and then when I come back, I'm gonna have pink hair. Well, here we are. No idea what the back looks like. No idea. So what I did was, I'm pretty sure I just tried to cover every little piece of blonde that I could see. I did in fact use the entire bottle, like nothing left. I wasn't planning on doing that. I don't know. I guess I thought it was gonna like cover better, but it was like, I don't know. I guess I do have long hair, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I used the whole bottle. I put it everywhere, and I'm gonna let it sit for the full 30 minutes because if you're gonna have pink hair, you're gonna have pink hair, right? So yeah, when you guys see me next, I will probably have some makeup on and hopefully my hair done, and hopefully it will look cute. It's definitely pink. It's definitely light pink. And I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like when I had the color in, it really, really looked pink and I was kind of nervous. And then I feel like when I washed it the first time, it was just kind of like, it did fade quite a bit, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I don't think it's gonna last very long, like maybe, you know, maybe like the 4 washes, but I'm very curious to see how it actually fades, like if it fades pretty or if it kind of turns like a weird color. Not really sure what it looks like in the back. But I kind of like it, how it's just kind of like highlights, like it's not really all over color. I don't know. Now looking in the camera, I actually really kind of like it. So definitely recommend this color. I think it's a fun little change of pace, you know. I maybe want to try the other one sometime, the one that I said that was a little bit darker, and see if that one maybe showed up a little bit more. But yeah, I haven't decided if I'm going to add more to this video and show you guys how it's fading, or if I will do an update video later on, because I don't really want to wash it very fast because I kind of want to see if it'll last a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I will put the products that I talked about, so the one I used and then the Enrage one too, I'll put those in the description box if you guys want to check those out. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you all next time. Bye. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like in natural light. I washed it last night, and I tried really careful to like not wash it too much because I didn't want it to come out, and I feel like I didn't get all the conditioner out, so it just feels funky right now. But yeah, it's still definitely got like a hint of pink to it. I'm actually heading to Sally's right now because I saw that they have like this color cleansing conditioner or something, and they have a rose gold color or a blush color, and I think I'm gonna try to get the blush color and just see, because I really do like the pink. So I'm gonna try this conditioner and see if that works. So if I'm able to find it, I will try it out and give you guys an update. But yeah, so this is after one wash basically, and yeah, it faded, but it's still got a hint of pink. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I have washed my hair twice. Yeah, twice. And I mean, it's pretty faded. I mean, you can still kind of see. Okay, so this spot, this is where I did that, the Enraged color. Like that one is still in full force. But the rest of it is pretty faded. You can still see like a hint of the pink in some places, but it definitely fades very fast. So I picked up some of this. It is called Color Color Cleansing Conditioner, and it is in the color Blush. And it says that like after 4 or 5 washes, you're supposed to get to that really bright color over there. So, yeah, I'm gonna try this. I haven't tried it yet, and it shows that you can do like all over color, you can do an ombre, and it's for light blonde, bleached, or highlighted hair, because it picks up on the blonde. So if you guys want to see a video of me trying this and seeing how this turns out, let me know down in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing a little review on this. This was like $9.99 at Sally's, so price isn't bad, and it's 8 ounces. So this is how my hair looks after a couple washes. I'm assuming after a couple more, it's pretty much gonna be gone. And I think if I were to use my purple shampoo, like it could go away even quicker. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how it was fading. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and we will see you all on the next video. Bye.